Hello everyone, welcome back to Samuel K channel. Today we are excited to introduce one of our PVC British Standards series, PVC Female Union. Made from premium PVC materials, this female thread union is corrosion-resistant, heat-resistant, and UV-stable. They are widely used in industries like water treatment, construction, and power, ensuring system safety and stability. The process is simple and quick. Just screw the coupling tightly with the pipe or auxiliary to ensure a leak-proof connection. Our products are manufactured according to British standards, ensuring reliable quality and timely delivery.